channel. Fifi here, back again with another video. I hope that you guys are doing well. So as you guys can see by the title, I'll be showing you guys an empty house tour. Actually, I'm in the house right now. The echo is crazy, the noises outside is crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear the noise from outside, but it's because of the road construction that is going on. So guys, stick around and I hope you guys enjoy this house tour. So guys, we are going to start off first with the living room. This is the living room right here. That's the entrance, the door, and right there is the window. This is how the windows look, very big. Let me try and open it. So when you open it, that's how it looks. You can open it all the way. And then right above the window and the door is where the curtain rails are. And this is how the curtain rails are. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, honestly. So yeah, this is where you can just put your curtains. This is the light switch right there, and we're just going to close the door. I hope there's enough light. Okay, if I close, there's not enough light. So guys, I'm standing at the door right now, and the entrance door of the living room, and that's the lights, the chandelier for the lights. You have another one right here, very beautiful, and here you go. And then you have another one here. And then guys, we have this, every house in this apartment has a landline. So of course when someone enters this house, they're going to fix for them the cables, the TV cables, the Wi-Fi, and of course the landline. So right from the living room, we head straight to the bedroom. This is a one-bedroom apartment. So this is the room. That's the bedroom window. As you can see, the light from outside is beautiful. That right there is the wardrobe. Right there is the wardrobe. Then yeah, the sockets right there. You have sockets on that side and also on this side of the bedroom. I'll show you guys. So that's the cupboard. This is how the cupboard looks inside. This cupboard small. Mine is bigger than this. But anyway, this is the wardrobe. You can put things up there as well. And here, then you have the drawers where you can put your shoes. If you don't have a shoe rack. Of course, the curtain rails also. Beautiful set. So you will know what kind of curtains to buy. So right at the middle of the of the bathroom, this is the bathroom and the kitchen, you have this set over here, a sink and a mirror to look at yourself, wash hands, and yeah, things like that. So this inside here is the bathroom stroke toilet. I'm sorry guys, there's no light. So yes, that's the toilet, of course, and then the tissue holder, and then the shower is right here. The shower is right here. Where you put your things. Then the window, of course, to let in some air. So colder. I feel like this bathroom is small. Don't know why. The shower, of course. I'm sure once someone moves in here, in this house, I'm sure they are going to renovate it first, you know, make it look good for the next person who will move in. Last but not least, guys, this is the kitchen. As you can see, there's plenty of light in this room. We can still see outside the balcony. Yeah, this is the kitchen. Those are the cupboards in this apartment. There are quite many in the kitchen. Yeah, we have there. Of course, the generator thing is there. And yeah, if you want to put your fridge, that's a good space for the fridge right there. And then you just connect it to the socket. Like I said, the cupboard compartments in this place, there are many. You have the other sink, the sink. Water 24/7, by the way. They don't run out of water. Water is 24/7. Lastly, guys, from the kitchen you have the balcony. So right now it's very dusty, as you can see. All this is dusty, but I'm sure when someone moves in here, it's going to be cleaned. All the dirt is coming from, let me show you guys. Well, at the balcony you also have some sockets, so if you have people around, you know, you can listen to some music or come watch something from just here outside, or put even your laundry machine over here, because as you can see you also have a tap outside to do your laundry. So guys, that is all I had for you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's empty house apartment. Like I said, it's a 1-bedroom apartment, very nice, convenient, and the place actually, despite the road construction going on, after the road construction it's going to be just flowing. Anyway guys, give this video a thumbs up so that I can know if you guys like this content like this, so that I can continue creating it for you guys. Until next time, bye and take care. Mwah.